Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. After the summer we've just had, it's hard to imagine that there might be anybody out there who still refuses to accept that we're in the middle of a climate emergency. In London, we saw temperatures topping 40 degrees for the first time ever, leading to an outburst of wildfires all across the southeast. In southern Europe, temperatures reached 50 degrees and people started dropping dead from heat stroke. As you may have seen in the news, Pakistan has been hit by devastating floods that's killed thousands, whilst in China, the river Yangtze, one of the largest rivers in the world, all but dried up for a certain period of time this summer. We're living in the middle of a climate emergency and we're clearly living on a burning planet. It'd be nice to imagine that our leaders around the world somehow recognised the seriousness of these events and might be able to pull together and try to do something about it. Sadly, as one of my students said this morning when we were discussing this topic in class, there's not much likelihood of that happening because in many countries the government are hand in glove with the biggest polluters. In other words, the government get money from, they're funded by and therefore support in return the big oil and gas companies, the companies who cause the most pollution. If you say that one group of people are hand in glove or are working hand in glove with another group of people, you mean they're working very closely together, often in a dishonest kind of way. So in some countries, for example, there used to be a clear separation between the church and the state, but now they're working hand in glove. In some other places, maybe the police don't do as much as they should to tackle organised crime because essentially they're hand in glove with the mafia. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see how you might use hand in glove.